If you want to change the logger buffer size of your Samsung phone, so first we'll open up your settings. Then we're gonna scroll down to our About Phone tab. Open it up. Here, make sure to find your software information and to chase your build number. So as you located your build number, we are to tap 7 times on it. This will activate our developer mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great, we've got a pop-up message that developer mode has been turned on. It's a great sign. All right, let's follow to the developer mode. So go back to your settings and scroll down to the very bottom. It's hidden right beneath our About Phone section. Choose the developer options. Now we have to locate our debugging section. Here it is. And in our debugging section, we have to locate logger buffer size. Here it is. So you'll see several available buffer sizes options, usually ranking from 64K to 8 million, right? Choose the size that you need. A larger buffer size allows more data to be stored but can use more device memory. So let's choose the maximum point, for example. Why not? And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.